Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your achievements in the Audible app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, scroll down, and here we have achievements. Listening time, listening level, and batch collection. Here we can see our listening time, how much time we have spent listening to titles, listening level, which is based on how difficult of a book we are listening to, and batch collection as well. We have some interesting badges that we can collect, and yeah, this is how you can view your achievements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.